Western's evolution into a BRT corridor will require infrastructure, spaces, and the built environment to use innovative design and planning solutions that accommodate all users, regardless of mode of transportation. This video and the associated urban design content focus on some of those design opportunities and solutions. Considerations include street connectivity, pedestrian and bicycle infrastructure needs, safety and comfort around transit stops, placemaking elements, cultural context, and environmental factors. The Urban Design Center, a division within the City of Raleigh's Planning and Development Department, created an urban design story map that walks through our early analysis and recommendations. We divided Western Boulevard into 6 character zones that are based on adjacent land use and context. To view the story map, click the link provided under the Urban Design Opportunities section on the website. Within each character zone, we identified street, pedestrian, and bicycle connections that we believe will be important to the success of BRT along Western Boulevard. We also explored unique urban design challenges and opportunities, mostly at intersections or potential BRT station locations. Recommendations and paths to implementation will be developed in the final phase of the Western Boulevard Corridor Study. After the completion of the Western Boulevard Corridor Study in early 2021, more technical design work will begin, which will confirm BRT lane placement, station locations, and other design details. The goal is for the recommendations that result from this planning study to help guide the transformation of Western Boulevard into a successful BRT corridor that will improve mobility for all.